No, Ben.
You got Addison. You got some chop.
Chop.
You got some chop. Oh, chop.
That's nice.
Yeah, your mum's not around. Give him some chop.
Nice.
Yum.
Is that yummy? Is that yummy?
Yeah, it's good, chop. It's English chop. Baby white chop.
Yeah. Has it gone? Is that good? Oh. There you are. Yeah. It goes. No, I don't think he's bothered with that. Grab that one. Because I like it.
It's on his lip.
Eh?
Get it, Ben.
Look.
Get it, Ben. I think it's on floor. Go get it. It's stuck on his... Go get it, Ben. It's on his trousers.
Oh.
Go get it, Ben.
Here, Ben. Ben, here, look. There. No, you're having no more. It's not good for doggies. No. It's only good for grandmas and little babies. Yeah. Isn't it? Is that right, Harrison? Grandmas and little babies. Yeah. Here you go. That's it. That's good.
Good chop. Yum. Delicioso.
The milky bucket is strong and tough. The milky bucket is what is it now? The milky bucket is tough and strong. The milky bucket just can't go wrong. Milky bucket only eats what's right. That's Nestle's milky bar. Woo! Milky bucket is strong and tough. Only the milky bucket is. What did I just think now? Milky bucket.